Welcome to the GDP Instructional Intervention Technology Overview. We will be looking at 5 different types of technology suitable for instructional purposes. Even though all of them are not warranted for this particular project, they are still worth examining for use in future projects. First, we will look at PowerPoint. This is a presentation technology particularly suited to in-person instruction. And since the majority of the instruction for the GDP project will be in person, PowerPoint is very useful. PowerPoint is user-friendly. There is a small learning curve with maximum flexibility. The company also offers pre-formatted slides, which makes design even easier. There will be no additional cost to the company, as the company already owns a site license. Let's look at Canva. Canva is a graphics technology used to enhance learner experience. It is used in conjunction with a technology such as PowerPoint to develop content specific to the area of discussion. For example, Canva could be used to design graphics that would represent specific situations an individual would encounter in soft shells versus tableting. It's user-friendly. It is very much a click-and-go type program. However, a background in graphic design is useful, though not required. And it is relatively inexpensive at $149 per year. PowerDirector also enhances learner experience, but this time through the use of video. However, PowerDirector will not be needed for this particular instructional intervention, but it does warrant consideration for future projects. PowerDirector does require some specialized knowledge. To produce good video, one has to have the knowledge necessary to do it. Opelika does have the benefit of having an individual on staff with the necessary qualifications. It has the additional perk of being affordable at only $55 a year. Next, we will look at Articulate Storyline 360. This is a platform for creating electronic educational material, or e-learning. This will not be needed for this particular instructional intervention. However, it does warrant consideration for future use in other projects. It is expensive, and it does cost $1,400 a year. However, it is the gold standard for e-learning. The user does need to have some specialized knowledge to create effective e-learning, including SCORM, design skills, and good communication skills. Finally, let's look at WordPress. This is a website development technology. However, it will not be needed for this particular instructional intervention either. Should it become needed, it is affordable at only $300 a year plus web hosting fees, which are usually about $20 a year. The open sourced design allows for flexibility in design and the addition of many third-party plugins, again making design even easier. If the instructional designer does not have the required knowledge, then a subject matter expert would need to be available. And if they're not available, tutorials are readily available online. In conclusion, there are 2 main technologies that would be useful for the GDP instructional intervention. They include PowerPoint and Canva. Technologies worth considering for future projects include PowerDirector, Articulate Storyline 360, and WordPress. Articulate Storyline 360 and WordPress could come in handy in particular since the company does have multiple sites of operation in the Northeast, the Southeast, and the West Coast. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this has been helpful.